is mega hot. I finally put the fan on full blast. But what's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Ray, aka Little Ray TV. Gonna be back with another video, a special video, a little different video. We're finally back. You see the title: Supreme NYC Supreme Clothing, all that stuff. Week 1 is finally upon us. Now, I got some good and I got some bad. For me, not for you guys. But we'll get into that as we go with the video. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 500 subs. As well as subscribe to not only this channel, but subscribe to my other channel. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram will be right here on the screen. And if I forget, as I've been forgetting as usual, my Instagram as well as my other channels to subscribe to will be linked in the description down below. So check that out. So support on all those channels and my page. Also, if you're new here, comment. I respond to all comments or any questions. Anything you have to ask, just comment. I'm gonna answer them. Yeah, so let's get right into it. Supreme, what is it? Spring, winter, all that. Wait, I think it's spring, right? Or fall, winter, week 1. I don't know. But I'm gonna have the title obviously when I have it, but I don't remember off the top of my head. Mind you, my phone is charging right now, but it's legit like 1 something in the morning. So yeah, I'm filming this late night just so I can edit it and get it out to you guys while you're watching this. I'm literally editing and uploading right now. But either way, forget all that. Let's get right into the video. It's probably the longest intro, but let's get it. Alright, so off rip, I'm gonna show you guys what it came with the package. Mind you, because I have what's that thing called, autocorrect or autofill with Supreme, because you know you still gotta be fast on Supreme's website. I still haven't linked to my original bank card, which is Supreme. You have to have same address for bank, everything the same, shipping, bill, and all that. So my bank is still got the address for my last location where I used to live, so everything gets shipped over there. So it's always something, and I don't know what the hell Supreme is doing, because they starting to get like Nike and they're shipping stuff through LaserShip. Everyone knows in this country, this world, this universe, LaserShip is by far the worst effing shipping server in mankind. If you have your stuff shipped from LaserShip, you might as well just say, let me get the refund, because 9 times out of 10 you won't get your package. It will be like 1 out of the 10 time you'll get your package. So luckily it came. They do all that bullshit front, because literally 2 days ago, before it came, yesterday or today, it said out for delivery. Then it said, oh sorry, we couldn't deliver. Then it was back at a location, then finally in a nearby location. That shit is just terrible. I don't even understand. I'm probably gonna make a video. I don't know if I'll get sued for it, but I'm literally gonna go on a rant and like a whole rampage on a video of how LaserShip is by far the worst shipping company. But long story short, I finally got the package. So let's go based off the online. Some people got some things, some people didn't get everything, and thankfully I didn't even know they was dropping it, because I was not very in tune until last minute of what they're dropping, sticker wise and all that stuff. But let's get right into it. So we'll go by based off what I have here. Alright, I can't see in the video, so I'm gonna show you guys this last, only because it's the most hyped sticker this week, or I think this season. I don't know what they're doing. So of course the regular Supreme stickers they always give, whatever. You guys should know about these. They give this every order, no matter what. I'm surprised they don't give it away for free, a whole bunch in the store. But either way, is that a spider? Yeah, there's legit spiders on my shoe. Alright, I don't have time for this right now. This video by far is the longest and all over, so I'm not going to spread it as long as it needs to be. So let's just get right into it. Like I said, the red Supreme stickers, they got this. I don't know what this means. Stop or hand movement, olive green, white sticker. They gave you, I don't know what that means. It's like a stop, frisk, some type of thing. Really don't know. I would have to look it up, but someone that's watching this might know. So the Supreme green and white, olive green sticker. Stop, whatever that says. Not really stop, but it says hand there, so I don't really know what it says. Let's put this somewhere. I don't know. Spiders getting everywhere, but okay. And they got the F that, the fuck that sticker in pink and white. And I thought it was one long sticker, but it's actually 3 different ones. You could see it. It's like in circles. You could peel it off, and it'll be 3 different ones. So it says F that literally in pink and black. So that's a cool sticker. And you got the New York trash with the Statue of Liberty sticker. Literally, you could see that, which is pretty funny to me. Not that New York is trash, but sometimes it can be. But that's just so funny. Like, where they even get the props for all these different bags to even do that? You get what I'm saying? That's a pretty cool sticker, I guess, if you want to be fancy or not fancy. And then to the most hype accessory they gave, like I said, sticker wise, and it feels way lighter than I'm gonna say this red. Like, the red is more thick, I guess, because it's the original, so it's always gonna feel like more like durable. But this one feels like literally like a wet loose leaf paper, and it's the official gold Supreme sticker. Some people was mad that they didn't get it in their online order. I guess, like I said, I don't know if this is any resale, but I guess I should be thankful that I got a gold sticker, if that means anything. But it literally feels so floppy. Like, I wish you could feel it so light. Like, it feels like literally wet loose leaf compared to the red one. It's like more, I don't know if you could hear the difference. See, this is more like slim. This is more, thicker. But yeah. Some people, like I said, was mad they didn't get it in their order, but I did. I got one gold sticker, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but it doesn't hurt to keep stickers. It's free. Now, here goes the item that was the most hype item of the week, which resale isn't doing too crazy, which I don't know why this wouldn't. I don't know if it's because it's the first week, people are testing the waters, not testing the water. Maybe people don't, it's not a fan, they didn't expect it because it's not typical like skateboard type, or I don't know, right now they don't have hype. But for me as a musician, for me about art and me about fashion, all this stuff, this was a no-brainer. I needed to cop for the personal, which was the Supreme photo t-shirt, whatever they call it, the Andre 3000 T, obviously Andre 3000, I'm just saying based off the T, it's not a box logo, but it's Andre 3000 wearing the box logo. And I don't know what I was trying to do on Supreme website, because I was wasting a lot of time. I was trying to decide other colors of I was trying to look for the Catwoman shirt, but I didn't want no Catwoman shirts. After a while, I realized the Catwoman shirt didn't have a lot of combined colorways I wanted. So I end up low-key, I'm surprised. I was going back and forth. They kept saying certain color sizes were sold out. If I would have went straight in and got what I wanted, I could have got literally one for resale and one for personal, which this is an Andre 3000 shirt, right? It's gray and it's size medium. It is for sale because maybe I'll get profit, but then that profit will basically be resale if I have to buy mine. Either way, it's cutting even for me, because say I get profit for this, I'm gonna go buy the size and color I want for the one I want. Now, if I don't sell it, I could trade it, which I am looking to trade because, like I said, they're all relatively the same price, all that stuff. So what I'm gonna do is, if I have time this week or tomorrow or whatever I can, I'm gonna try to go to some store I know that they have Supreme stuff, and I'm gonna ask them, hey, this is a size medium, gray, Andre 3000. Can you just do an even trade for a black large? If you're watching this and you have a black large Andre 3000 shirt, please hit me up. I'm willing to trade a gray medium. Most likely, if you got what you got, you might wear it. It might be a personal, so you might not want to sell it. I mean, you might not want to trade it because it's for you. But if you're trying to sell or trade, whatever it is, at least work with me, and we can do an even swap, because like I said, they all relatively go for the same price. I need the black Andre 3000 shirt in a size large. So if you have it, let me know. We could talk. You could comment or Instagram me on the DM. Like I said, Instagram is down below in the description, so hit me up if you have it. And that's all I really got for week 1. I wish they would drop more music tees. When they like music artists on tees, and the market is down, so I don't have to pay a lot or trade or whatever all the time. But I definitely, if I was moving smarter, not harder, if I was moving smarter, I literally I could have got, because they allowed you this time on the website to get 2 colorways. I don't know if it was the same color in 2 different sizes. I just know when I clicked on 2 different shirts, like the actually 3000 shirt, it allowed me, because I did have a black large in my cart, and then I added a gray, try to do like a gray large just in case I did want to keep the gray, because gray is similar to me for blacks. I don't mind wearing gray because I have a lot of stuff to wear with gray. But the fact that it's a medium, I'm not even going to try to open this. Because first of all, I hate Supreme. They do the sealed bag, so you can't even like rip it, try it on, and put it back and act like it was DS. But I just want a large. I know Supreme medium tees is crazy. So I'd rather a large. So like I said, please, if you have a large in a black Andre 3000 shirt, hit me up. I need it ASAP because I want it for a fit. But at least I'm willing to trade. At least I hit something to show you guys, and also I'm glad I even get to see it, because Andre 3000, first of all, is a GOAT, and I need the tee because I'm a musician, so this tee means a lot to me. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll probably see you guys, I don't know when is the next video, what's coming out. We'll probably do another must cop. I think there's a lot of other shoes coming out that are quote unquote bricks, but I'm gonna still do a review for you guys on a not a review, but a must cop video. And also we'll see what also goes on the rest of the week to talk about. I know this videos are pretty long, but it's, you know, the first Supreme video of the season, so I just want to get into what I'm showing you guys, and also to try to get my t-shirt that I want. But thank you for watching, thank you for sticking with me, and if you're new here, like I said, make sure you subscribe, like the video, share the channel to get people to join the squad. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out. Peace.